Dell here, talking about the Advent calendar. And this is what it looks like. There's the back. And it's a holiday countdown kind of item. And we'll be opening up the first one just to show you. And
No, it's not like that.
oh, it's not like this?
No. Yeah, so if you take a look at the front here, on the Advent calendar, it
Okay.
has little numbers.
Okay,
And you find number 1.
So it's not in order. Number 1 is in the middle here. So I got to open up number 1 ahead of time, I might add, but just to show you. There's a little circular part of it, and then you can just run your finger around. Opens up pretty easy, and I think there is no place it just opens, and it's like this. So let's see what we got in here. There is this, and it looks like, can I say the name? It looks like M&M's to me, but obviously I don't think it's the, I don't know if it's the M&M manufacturer.
Those are Reese's Pieces.
Oh, these are Reese's. Okay, so
Open them up and taste it.
I have to open one up here and see what it's like. So there we are. You can taste the peanut butter, and so anyway, you get the idea.
Every day we'll be opening up
Every day one, and I take it this is supposed to be, I just jumped ahead to December 1st, correct?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so,
But when this comes out, it'll be December 1st.
oh, all right,
So,
show business, do things ahead of time.
Yeah.
So there it is. So subscribe and comment, please, and thumb up and share.